Let's be real, this is me 24/7, all day, every day. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a full beat. I know you guys are liking these full beats, so I decided to create something along the lines of an olivey. I've been wanting to do something olive for a really long time, but I also incorporated some taupey colors to kind of give it a much more cool tone vibe. And I really like how everything looks. I really like how everything turned out. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like my tutorials. Also, don't forget that I am going to be doing 10 days of holiday makeup. That means I'm going to be uploading a video every single day for 10 days. And it is going to be an eyeshadow tutorial using the James Charles and Morphe collaboration palette. That is the palette that you guys chose on my Insta stories. So that's the palette that we're going to be doing 10 looks with. I don't know where I'm going to get 10 looks from, but I promise you guys I'm going to try. That being said, don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram because when I'm not here, I'm most likely over there. That being said, let's go ahead and get started into this full beat tutorial. Alright guys, so starting off with the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base, which I'm pretty sure you guys know that I love. I love this stuff, you guys. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm just going to work it into my skin, kind of blend it out. I like to put some around my eyes as well, just because it hydrates that area. Foundation, I'm going to go ahead and take the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick. We're going to see how well this one works out. Always, I like to apply my stick foundations with a brush. This is one of my all-time favorite brushes. I actually just telling Jesus when I wash them, I have about 4 years with these brushes. No, 3 years. I think I have around 3 years with these brushes. These are from the BH Cosmetics line. They do come in like a pack with like a lot of other ones for the face. These are just like my all-time favorite, you guys. They last a really long time. They're super, super soft. I don't know, I love them. I feel like they're really, really good quality. So taking my favorite brush, I'm just going to go ahead and blend this out. Going on to concealer, I actually picked up a sample of the Huda Beauty concealer, the new one that just came out. I didn't want to pick up like the full-size product just in case I don't like it, but I did pick this one up in the shade Nugget. So I'm just going to, I'm going to apply some underneath my eyes. Whoa, this is intense, okay. Okay, this is like full coverage, you guys. Like, this is full coverage. To contour, I'm going to go ahead and take the Makeup Revolution foundation in the shade F12. Go ahead and take the Beauty Blender from the other side, and then I'm just going to blend that into the skin. I love how it just blends like a dream. And it just gives like some color to my skin. Go ahead and set everything with the Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. And because I do get oily on my T-zone, I'm just going to bake my nose. I also stamp the brows just so that the pomade doesn't slide all over the place and it just gets a grip. Moving on to the fun part, I'm going to be using single shadows from the brand Coastal Scent. I'm going to jump onto this portion of my Z palette, use kind of like the greens, the blacks, the taupey colors. I want to create something very cool tone. So that's what we're going to use. We're going to start off with Kokomo Cafe. This is like a very taupey color, and I'm going to take this on the M441 by Morphe. There is very, very minimal pickup from these shadows, which I really, really like, and they are also very pigmented. I'm going to start by placing this color in the transition area. back and forth. Just gonna intensify that shade on the lid, so back and forth. Moving on to this shadow, this is called Light Taupe. And I'm actually gonna pick this on the exact same brush. This one is a bit more darker than the first one I showed you guys, but it is also very taupey-like, so I'm just going to define the crease a little bit more. There's something about cool tones that make me feel some type of way, like I like them and I don't like them at the same time, you know? You know what, I'm going to take this green shade. This one is called Olive Wood and it's like a very dark olivey color. I'm actually going to take this on a BH Cosmetics 122, which is a dome. It's a very dome looking brush. Press it on the outer part of my eye, working it inwards in very, very light motions, and then I'm going to go back in and blend. So first I want to pack it. I'm going to go back into the Morphe M433, and this is clean by the way, and I'm just going to go in and blend that shadow. I want to blend the green shadow. I want it to look pretty nice and blended. I'm now taking this shade. This one is called Dirty Martini. I'm going to apply this, like packing it all over the lid. I'm going to take a flat brush, spray my brush with some Morphe setting spray. And this one is called Dark Olive Green and it is a shimmer shadow. I'm going to go from outer to inner corner. And this one is called Sideline. As you guys can see, it's much more lighter. And I don't want to bring this one to the outer part of my eye because I still want that gradient. So I'm just packing it on the inner part. Once the lower lash line is done, the rest of my face and then my, what are they called? Lashes. Then everything's gonna look poppin'. For bronzer, I'm gonna go ahead and take the NYC bronzer in the shade Sunny. I absolutely love this stuff and I feel like it is just so bomb. So good. I love how well it blends and how pigmented it is. Like, it sculpts me out. Blush, I'm going to go ahead and take the Note blush in the shade Desert Rose. I really like this one because it's like super pigmented and it does have kind of like an orangey undertone to it. I really, really like it. You can open the door, babe. Eh? Lock the door, okay? Bye. So you guys can see it's kind of orange, but I dig it. I dig it. Now I'm just taking my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm going to bathe in this. Woo! Feels so, so good. I'm not going to take an oldie but a goodie, and this is Rodeo Drive by Ofra. I feel like the gold highlighter kind of goes well with the green eye look, so I'm gonna go in with this Coastal Scents brush. This is in the style BRCS08. And I'm just going to buff those same exact shades, starting with a light taupey color. And I'm going to buff them on my lower lash line. I'm just buffering that taupey color to kind of blend the green together. I'm actually going to take the NYX lip liner in the shade Soft Spoken. And then for lipstick, I'm going to take this Bow and Arrow lipstick by Kat Von D. It's a pretty cool tone brown, so I feel like it'll go good with the look. Also taking this Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Birthday Suit. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to go ahead and take my mascara and apply some mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm just taking some Cara Beauty in the shade Glow Crush, and I'm going to pop it right there. How that just went from like a 0 to 100 real quick. Alright guys, and this is the finished and completed look. I really like how everything looks. I really like how everything turned out. I feel like I could have left it a little bit more cool toned, but since I decided to incorporate the mix of the greens and the gold, I feel like I really like it. Like, I love it. I dig it. It's giving me some type of vibe. And also this green eyeshadow look makes my brown eyes like pop out, and I mean like pop out. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, because when I'm not here, I'm most likely over there. Give this video a thumbs up if you like my makeup tutorials. If you're not yet a part of our TSQUAD family, you would like to join, don't forget to subscribe in the link down below. I'm also going to leave you guys my 2 recent videos here on the screen. In case you didn't have enough of me and you want to see more of me, then you guys can watch one of these 2 videos. Don't forget that 10 days of holiday makeup is coming up. That means I'm going to be uploading a makeup tutorial every single day for 10 days. And I believe it starts December 10th. December 10th all the way up until December 20th. My birthday is on the 21st, so I'm so excited. So don't miss out on that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.